As a real estate office administrator that works for a big brokerage or manages a small team, you are in charge of a huge amount of files and documents your office needs. Playbooks, headshot photos of agents, addresses and bios. The bigger the brokerage, the harder it gets to manage and organize all of those different files. With Placester's media library, you will have one centralized hub to manage all the necessary files, and on top of that, you get unlimited access to Unsplash, an image library with over 3 million photos. With that collection, you won't have to spend money on real estate stock pictures ever again. Click on your Media Library tab. Here you are able to upload a broad range of file formats, up to 50 MB per file. Click Upload Media and drag and drop a file from your hard drive. It's just that simple. You are able to create collections and order your files. And in a situation when you have to dig through a large number of files, use the search tab or filters to find what you need. To ease real estate office administrators and brokers in managing files for the entire company, we've added a Shared Media tab. Here you can find all files that are visible to your brokerage members. Those are the people you've included in your Agent Manager panel. Shared Media tab is the perfect place for the most important company-wide documents. And the best part is that all your agents can access those files at any time. The last element of your media library is the Unsplash collection. With Placester, you have unlimited access to real estate stock pictures that you can use on your websites. You can showcase the area that your agents work in with beautiful pictures, or maybe you need an eye candy to feature in your blog posts. Type the keyword and browse through the collection. Add the picture you like to your media library. You can also use the Unsplash gallery while customizing your website. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget that if you need a tailor-made IDX website, our designers can create one just for you. Check the video description to learn more.